capital of Arizona is Phoenix, and the governor is Jan Brewer. The nickname for Arizona is Grand Canyon State. Arizona's bird is a cactus wren. Here is an image of Arizona. Arizona's flower is the saguaro cactus. Arizona's gemstone is turquoise. Arizona's tree is the palo verde. Arizona's fossil is the petrified wood. The motto of Arizona is God and riches. This is Arizona's flag. One of Arizona's natural resources is copper. Arizona's climate is rarely cold and warm.